Check the verticality of the door frame using a spirit level. Check both sides. Inspect the door leaf. Use the included accessory to clean the door sill tracks. We will write a number on each door and window. To distinguish the door leaf, just look at the number A1, A2, A3, and install it according to the number. Installing the first door. Use tools to move the hanging rail rollers to the door installation location. Then this wheel is inserted into it. Demonstration. Hands-on practice. Secure it with this screw. Completed the installation of the first door. For the second door, you need to put a wheel on it. It's the same on both sides. Go in here. Yes, and then this wheel will be like this. Go in. Put this. The positioning wheel is put in this position. Put the belt. Put it here. Just move it in a little bit first. It's hung up. Isn't it loose now? When it's loose, adjust this small wheel. Both wheels can be adjusted. When you're tight, the belt straightens. Fix this. This can go back and forth, right? It can't be too tight. If it's too tight, there's not enough space. Both ends are the same. Installation of the second door can now begin. Let's look at that wheel now. If you move it forward, it won't work. It can't go down. To the back. Yes. If you go backward, it will be straight. Secure the overhead rail for the second door. Installed. This 6-pointed star screwdriver, and this screw, put it in and tighten it. After fixing it, check if these 3 fans are vertical. If it's too high, adjust it here. Down. You can twist it left or right. The belt must go into this position. Come into this groove. It must go into this position, because it can also pass through here, but it won't work. If it goes in here, it can't come out. It's not enough space, not enough width of a fan. Just put it in here. Yes, it can be placed. And put it in a corresponding position. It has a place to plug it in. It's the same on this side. Now it can be linked. After making sure the door leaves are vertical, we will install other accessories. Now we are also using screws to fix it. The same, it is also in this hole. The same. Install it in order. Same as the other side, put it in. Fixed. Comes with 4 fixed plugins. Prevent your door from shaking. Put it here. Left and right. It's the same. Installed here to prevent the door leaf from swinging. Yes. It also prevents swaying when you push it over. Does it wobble? Right? So it doesn't happen now. This is a part that stops the belt from shifting. When not installed, the belt is easy to shift. To keep him from shifting, just put it here. Fixed. Screw the screw into these 2 holes. Block the ground wheel in these places. Both the left and right sides require installation. Tear off the adhesive backing. Paste the handle where you want to paste it. Another one. Just stick it like this for a long time. This one is the same.